So I wanted to add an additional lecture today because an unusual event happened in the market, and that's that the Dow opened down over 1,000 points. And it's very unusual for that to happen. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to demonstrate the power of delta neutral hedging. So I've got my Thinkorswim account pulled up. I've got about 13 positions open right now, and over the last week or so the market has been declining, and many of my positions have gone below the strike price of my short puts, which, as you have learned in the course, requires us to resort to trade adjustment number 1, or delta neutral hedge. And I've done that with many of my positions. This is shortly after the market opened, and many of the underlying securities are down significantly. We've got some that are down over 10% only a few minutes into trading. What I want to point out is that this type of drop would cause most investors to panic, but not me, because I was delta neutral hedged in many of these positions, and as a result you can see that my P&L for the day, or my profit and loss, is $7,609.92. So shortly into the open, after a 1,000 point drop on the Dow, I'm at over a $7,000 P&L for the day. And that's the power of delta neutral hedging. So I'm not doing this to brag. I just really want to put your mind at ease that if you delta neutral hedge correctly, it's really going to protect you in the event of a large decline in the market. So anyway, I wanted to make this a quick video. I won't go into any more detail. If you take the course in its entirety, you will understand how to delta neutral hedge correctly so that you can also take advantage of market declines like the one that happened today.